Good morning, children. Today we will learn about my body in EVS chapter 1. In this chapter, we will learn about different kinds of body parts, their functions, and the function of sense organs also. So, let's start the chapter. We know that we all have similar looking body parts which we can identify it also, and some other body parts also which we cannot identify or which we cannot see. So there are two types of body parts: external body parts and internal body parts. External body parts means the body parts which are visible to us or which we can see are called the external body parts. Some other body parts are also there which we cannot see. Such kind of body parts are known as internal body part. First of all, we can see the example of external body parts. So as I told you, the body parts which are visible to us are known as external body parts. Here are some example of external body parts such as hair, eyes, nose, tongue, shoulder, elbow, hand, finger, legs, foot, toes, ankle, knee, arm, stomach, chest, neck, mouth, teeth, ear, forehead, etc. As you can see in your slide. And our body is basically made up of three parts: head, trunk, and legs. The upper body parts are known as head, and the trunk means the middle body parts are together known as trunk, and the lower body parts are together called legs. The next topic is, as I told you, internal body parts. So the body parts which are not visible to us or which we cannot see are known as internal body parts. Here are some example of internal body parts such as brain, lungs, heart, liver, stomach, intestine, and kidneys. These body parts are inside of a body. That's why it is called the internal body parts. These body parts we cannot see. The next topic is functions of the body parts. Means what is the function of external body parts and internal body parts. We will see under this topic. Our body part is made up of many parts. Means our body part is made up of various kinds of body parts such as leg, hands, nose, eyes, head, etc. Each body part has its own function. Means every body parts has its specific function. Every body parts has a specific or it performs a special kind of functions. So let us learn about the functions of some body parts. First of all, the brain helps us to think. It controls all our body movements and other functions also. Means what we do, what we think, all body movements, all type of functions are controlled by our brain. We can say that it is the central processing unit of our body. It is very important and main body parts of our body. The next organ is heart pumps blood to other part of the body. Inside heart there are four chamber: two upper chamber and two lower chamber. It helps circulate blood from one place to another inside our body. The next is lungs. So which kind of function lungs perform? So lungs help us to breathe. You know that breathing is very essential and important process, and breathing is done by lungs. Without breathing we can't live, we can't survive. So it is very important process which is done by lungs. The next organ is stomach. So stomach help us to digest the food we eat. What kind of food we eat, it goes in our stomach and digestion processes occur inside our stomach. It break largest molecule in smallest molecule and help to digest the food. The bones give shape and support to our body. What is the function of bones? Bones provide special structure and shape to our body. The next is muscles. Muscles help us to move our body parts such as hands, legs, and head and knees also. These body parts are movable due to muscles. Muscles help us to move our body parts. So these are the functions of our internal body parts, you can say. And what is the function of leg? So we all know that the leg help us to move, the leg help us to run, the leg help us to walk, hands help us to carry whole things, mouth help us to speak and eat food also, nose help us to smell the things, neck help us to move our head. So these are the some function of our external and internal body parts. The next topic is sense organs. So let me inform you organs. What is organs? So the body parts are also known as organs, and the organs which help us to see, which help us to smell, hear, taste and feel are called the sense organs. There are 5 types of sense organs, and they can help us to coordinate with our surroundings. The example of sense organs are eyes, means with the help of eyes we can see, nose, with the help of nose we can smell, ears, with the help of ears we can hear the voice, with the help of tongue we can taste the food, with the help of skin we can feel the thing. Suppose for example, if we touch any hot or cold object, we can means we react immediately. Why? Just because of we can feel the heat of that object through the skin. And it is the largest body part, and it is important body part also, because it covers whole our body and protect us from injury, shock and from cold and heat also. That's why it is very important body parts. It covers our whole body. So children, in this chapter we learned our body is made up of many parts such as external and internal body parts, and we also known about external example of external body parts and internal body parts also. Some body parts are visible, some are not visible. Visible body parts are called external body parts, not visible body parts are called the internal body parts, and each body part has a different function.